nice motor setup here. Company called Shifty Works. They actually have a couple of all-wheel drive cars, and they are getting our DC2. This is a car that we did a lot of R&D on for all the DC and EG stuff, and you know, it's going to them, you know, a good home. So we know it's at a, you know, one of our friends' shop. And this car's a lot of history, right, Sone?
Oh yeah.
A lot of history with this car.
It all started with Jerry.
Yep.
Good old Jerry.
Good old Jerry, thanks.
Jerry, come by, Jerry.
Yeah, where's Jerry?
Yeah.
Yeah, Jerry, if you're watching this, come visit us.
But yeah, guys, look at it. Clean. You know, we took off the old, you know, some new billet coilovers right there. Forks with coilovers. Let's clean it up. Check out the diff mount. Check out the diff mount. That's OG. Here's the other side. Yeah, it's gonna be a super build. Pretty nice build. This is the transmission setup right here. Speed Factory. This is going to AWOL. Car got some magics on it. Turbo system. You guys are going to see all this get installed. It's not going to roll out of here, but we're going to put drive shaft on it and, you know, install the stuff. Sick. It's dirty right now, but this bay was shaved, semi-shaved. It's clean. Wait till you see this car when it's buffed up. This car is, you know, as we said, one of our R&D cars, and we just have a lot of cars around here. So we're just glad it's going to a nice home. Like and subscribe.